What is Ryobi Days? If you don't know what Ryobi Days are, we're going to cover that in this video, and if you do know, there's some deals and things you should know that we're also going to talk about. And what prompted me to make this video was something where it cost me some money in Home Depot during Ryobi Days. They should have let me know. Let's go. If you're interested in any of these tools you see today, I'm going to link to them in the description and the pinned comment so you can find them easier. I guess I'm oblivious to things. I walk into Home Depot and I see all of this Ryobi stuff, Ryobi Days, and I see it online and I didn't know what it was. I just thought it was like a day or two sale going on, but the longer I looked at it, I was like, man, this stuff's going on forever. What's going on here? So I reached out to my contact at Ryobi to get those answers. First and foremost, you see a bunch of Ryobi tools here. They are not a sponsor of this channel. They have sent me a few tools over the last few months, but I bought most of these myself. So for those that are unaware like myself, Ryobi Days is a sale that happens every single year and has happened every year for the last 8 years from Ryobi. I know it's pronounced Ryobi, I just can't make myself say it. This is almost a 2-month sale that you can take advantage of. That's been going on since May 22nd, I know I'm late, 2023, all the way through July 16th of 2023. So you have a couple of more weeks to take advantage of some of these sales we're going to talk about. Now, Ryobi Days is special because it is the best deal you're going to find on OnePlus, in other words, their cordless line of tools, all year, including Black Friday and end of year savings. And I know that because I reached out to my contact at Ryobi, who's the associate marketing manager for TTI, the owner of Ryobi, and asked us, like, are you sure these are the best deals of the year? And he assured me it is the best deal on cordless tools, cordless OnePlus products, as far as getting into the platform with a battery and a free tool. Now, a few months ago, I made this video called The Hater's Guide to Ryobi, and that's where I had never bought Ryobi before, and I ordered a big old combo kit of Ryobi tools, and I've been using those for the last several months in the shop most of the time. Now, some of the tools in this combo kit you can get on the Ryobi Days deal, specifically the $99 deal where you get 2 4-amp-hour batteries and your choice of a free tool. And one of those deals I think is the best deal going is this Ryobi router. This router specifically isn't on the deal because there's a newer version since I bought this one. It's this variable speed router that you can get for $99. You get 2 of the 4-amp-hour batteries and a router. So if you're a woodworker needing a router, this is a good option. I've been using this router for a couple of months now, and I've done a ton of work with it, and it has held up really nice. It's a really nice little router. It's a little top heavy for my liking, as I said in the Hater's Guide video. However, it has done a really good job. Now, the new model isn't as top heavy. It's more balanced and centered, and I actually like it better. They did send me this one to try since I had the old model. Now, a few other tools you can get on this deal is this multi-tool that I've used it all the time. I use this constantly to cut out parts from the CNC where I leave the little tabs. This is what I use for that. I've used this probably more than the router, and I've used the router a lot. This is a really good tool for that price when you're getting those 2 batteries with it. Another tool on the $99 deal where you get the 2 batteries and a tool for free is the jigsaw. This jigsaw, actually, this has been a really nice tool to have. I've used it quite a bit in the shop as well. It hasn't let me down yet. Plenty of power. It works well. I think it's a good deal for that price. Till we get to some of the best deals I think you can get on this next package, you got to check out my deals website if you like saving monies on tools, 731woodworks.com/tool-deals. There's also a sign up for SMS alerts that I'll send out when there is a really good smoking hot deal so you don't miss it. I'll link to that sign up in the description as well. Now you got to see the best deals Ryobi has to offer in my opinion. Now the better value is the $199 deal because you're getting 3 of the high performance batteries and the brushless line of tools. So what does that mean exactly? Well, brushless tools in any cordless platform have better battery life and they have more powerful motors just because of the way science works, I think. So for the $199, you're getting 3 batteries, a 2-amp-hour, a 4-amp-hour, and a 6-amp-hour, and these are the high-performance batteries. So it's a much better deal with a much better battery platform. Same battery platform, fits all the same tools, even if it's not in the high-performance line. Your battery will still work. It's just a better battery, which makes this a better deal. Then when you pair that with the brushless technology of the tools, I think you're getting better tools, in my opinion, for that price range. And the fact that you're getting the 3 batteries with the free tool for $200 is just a good deal in my opinion. Now, if you're looking at either one of these combos, the 99 or the 199 combo, if you look on Home Depot's website, I'll link to this exact page in the description. When you click on that free tool part, you're going to see over 20 different tools you'll be able to select from to get for free with this purchase. One of the best deals you're going to get for that $199 combo is the 3 batteries and the Ryobi Airstrike brushless brad nailer. Normally this sells for $189 by itself. If you add another battery to it, you're well over the $200. So you're getting 3 batteries plus this for $199. It's just a steal and a no-brainer to pick up if you need a brad nailer. A couple of more things I think you should consider on this deal. If you don't want a brad nailer, they have a brushless jigsaw. Again, brushless has more power, also better battery life. There is also this circular saw that's a full-size 7¼ inch brushless saw. I've had this here for a few weeks now. It's a really good saw for the price. You're getting the $199, you're getting the 3 batteries plus the saw. So if you need a circular saw for the job side of the shop, this may be the way to go. One thing that is extremely highly underrated, underestimated, not really thought about in the Ryobi platform is the fact that this battery right here will fit over 280 different tools, both outdoor tools, home use tools, and shop use tools. They have so many tools available. When I did my research on the Haters Guide to Ryobi, I didn't have any idea they had that many tools available. I think, in my opinion, Ryobi is going to be a force to be reckoned with in the next few years, simply because of the amount of tools they have and the availability of those tools in the Home Depot, because these are exclusively sold at the Home Depot. You can't buy them anywhere else other than Direct Tools Outlet, which TTI owns. Not from an authorized dealer. You find some of these on Amazon and things, but that's not an authorized dealer, and you won't be able to get support with that in most cases, so I would stick to buying these at Home Depot. Now here's one thing I think Ryobi should tweak somehow, and I don't have the answer to this, maybe you will. They should tweak this while shopping in the store, maybe even online. Maybe they don't want to, I don't know. I haven't talked to them about this. My wife and I was in the Home Depot and she saw this Ryobi vacuum cleaner, and she was like, we just so happen to need a new vacuum for the house. And she's like, oh, a Ryobi vacuum cleaner. And so we picked it up in stores you see here and we bought it for $199. This comes with a battery and a charger and the vacuum. Here's the rub. I could have bought this vacuum for $199 with 3 batteries and a charger on the Ryobi Days deal. This was purchased during Ryobi Days, whatever. I didn't know, and that's the whole premise of this video was like, I didn't know. Why didn't somebody tell me? They probably did, I just didn't listen. So that's what I want to be cautious of. If you're in store buying things or online buying, some of these combo kits can be had for a better value than what you can buy in store. What I wish would have happened is when I got to the checkout, the Home Depot should, when I rang this up on screen, it should have said, hey, there's a better deal where you can get 3 batteries and a charger plus this. I don't know how they would do it, but it would have been nice to know that that was available to me at the time of purchase. Now, I could take it back. I could exchange it and do all that. But if it was told to me at the time of purchase, I would have most likely picked up the Ryobi Days deal with the 3 batteries and the charger, and then I would have had a better deal. Same thing goes online. If I go and just add this to the cart as is, it's not going to tell me that, hey, there's a Ryobi Days deal where you could get 3 batteries with this instead of the 1. So I think that's one of those things that I wish they would tweak a little bit. So what are the best deals I think you should pick up? Well, like I said before, if you're in the market for a multi-tool, I really think you should go for the $199 deal with this multi-tool because you're going to get a brushless multi-tool. This one's brushed. Well, I like it and use it a lot. I would prefer to have the brushless model. As far as the circular saws go, if you need a circular saw, get this 7¼ There is one on the $99 deal, but it's the small circular saw, and I wasn't impressed with that one when I used it. This full-size brushless model, you'll be much happier with something like this. Best deal smoking, in my opinion, is the brad nailer. I think this is one of those well underrated deals. If you don't have a brad nailer and you're wanting one in your shop, I use mine all the time. I think it's one of the handiest tools you can have in the shop as far as cordless tools go. I just think this is a steal at $199 with the 3 batteries. Unfortunately, there's not a router on the $199 deal. So if you need a router, you're gonna have to go the $99 route. However, it's still a really good router. I bought this one in that combo kit that I bought several months ago that has the regular batteries. It's a non-brushed router. I typically keep a roundover bit in this one and do a bunch of roundovers with it during the week, and this has been really nice. No complaints other than it's a tiny bit top heavy. Of course, there's other deals on there with the drills and the drivers, as well as work lights, and this snake light I bought the other day. I didn't know it was on a Ryobi Days deal either. Same day we bought the vacuum cleaner. So then, of course, if you need a really nice vacuum cleaner, my wife really likes this one. It's been working well. I like it too. My son uses it all the time. It's a pretty good deal for $199 if you need 3 batteries and a vacuum cleaner. And I do recommend getting extra batteries with this instead of this because this runs the batteries down pretty fast. So more batteries would have been nice. And if you need to reciprocate the saw, these are super handy to have. There is a model that you can get with the $99 deal. This one actually But the better deal, in my opinion, is the brushless one for $199, and that brushless reciprocating saw. You're gonna get more power, more battery life, which is very important when using one of these. Now, while those are some amazing deals to be had, there's a few that you should avoid, in my opinion. I don't think they're worth the price at all. Probably not the popular opinion on some of these, especially from Ryobi, but I think that the circular saw, the small one on the $99 deal, should be avoided. I'm not impressed with this saw. It's underpowered, and I just didn't like it at all. I would actually step up to the $199 and grab the 7 1/4 inch, the full-size saw. It's a better deal, in my opinion. This one, I wouldn't waste my money on, just to be honest with you. Well, I guess I did waste my money on it. I bought it, but I didn't know until I bought it. So I don't think that you should buy the battery in the sander. It's underpowered as well. It just doesn't work that well, in my opinion, when you can get something like a DeWalt or a Craftsman or any other number of sanders for about the same price, much cheaper than $99 actually. They have a better sander that's going to last you much longer and do a much better job. My personal recommend is this DeWalt that you see here, or the Craftsman. They're exactly the same. Or if you just like the TTI brand, check out the Milwaukee sander. It's a very good sander at under $100. And I may be absolutely wrong on this, because over 1,000 people have given this a 5-star review on the fan. I just don't see myself spending $60 on a tiny fan. But if you need one, I guess on the job site or out and about with the kids at ball practice or something, it may be a good value for you. But in the shop, I would actually buy something that plugged into the wall and put out more air. And if you're already in the Ryobi platform, there is a deal where you can add 2 batteries to your $99 deal. So you're getting 4 batteries for $100, all 4 amp hour batteries. It's a pretty good deal. Let me know in the comments which Ryobi Days deals is the best for you in your shop. Again, this video is not sponsored. I'm sure somebody in the comments has already said it was, or it's a commercial. I just was generally interested in Ryobi Days and thought, you know what? If I didn't know about these deals, a lot of others didn't, and I wanted to share those with you. Ryobi, potato, potato, tomato, tomato. How do you say it? You got to check out the Hater's Guide to Ryobi right there just to go see what all the hate's about. I dug into their history and figured out why people hate them so bad. Click that box, get to the big old virtual fist bump. Thanks for watching.